subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Lenovo-owned Motorola has silently launched its new affordable phone under G series in China called Moto G34, with 5G support. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Moto G34 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Moto G34 comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 695 chipset, paired with Adreno 619 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box, with MIUI 6 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes Dolby Atmos surrounding sound system for better audio experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.7 by 74.6 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 179 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Moto G34 5G has been priced in China at 999 Chinese yuan, and it is said to go on sale in the country starting from December 28 in deep sea blue and magic night black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Moto G34 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.